How it looks right now. I added some pepper, sliced like 4 pieces of Thai pepper, sili ba? And then giluto din ako ang pancit canton. So, I added a little salt also to taste. So, depende na ninyo. Just tilaw as you go. Taste as you go. Diba? Oh my god, it's so spicy. Okay? So, ang goal na ko nga himong crunchy ang sayote failed. Kay na more siya overcooked na. Pero, oh well, I'm gonna turn this off now. And there you go. That's leftover vegetables. Pansit na may soup. Depende ninyo sa inyong ganahan. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Try yours. Bye.